Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Dodge Durango. This convenient feature allows you to warm up or cool down your vehicle before you even step inside. It's perfect for extreme weather conditions, providing comfort and readiness. We will cover the simple steps to activate it, ensuring you can use this function effectively and safely. Get ready to enjoy a more comfortable driving experience. Before initiating the remote start, a few quick checks are essential for safety and proper operation. First, make sure all doors are completely closed and locked. Next, confirm the hood is fully latched. An open hood will prevent the system from engaging. Finally, ensure your Durango's transmission is securely in the park position. These steps guarantee a smooth and successful remote start every time. To activate the remote start, locate the remote start button on your key fob. It typically features a circular arrow icon. Press this button twice within approximately 5 seconds. You will notice the parking lights flash, indicating the system has received the command. The engine will then start and run for a duration of 15 minutes, providing ample time to prepare for your journey. Here are some helpful tips for maximizing your remote start experience. You can extend the engine run time by pressing the remote start button once more while it's running. The system permits 2 consecutive remote start cycles. To take control of your vehicle, simply insert the key, and press the brake pedal. This action will transfer operation from remote start to normal driving mode.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.